Hello, I'm Kathy Holt, an accountant and PowerChurch Plus software specialist. Some software companies charge high prices to update payroll tax tables annually. PowerChurch has chosen to allow the users of both the online and desktop versions of PowerChurch the money-saving advantage of manually updating the payroll tax tables. This may sound like a daunting task, but actually, it only takes a few minutes to do. Let me show you how simple it is to update both the federal and state tax tables in PowerChurch Plus. Be sure your annual to-do checklist includes updating the tax tables before processing the first payroll each January. For the federal tax tables, begin by going to the IRS website at irs.gov. Use the search box to find the current year PDF of Publication 15, also known as Circular E. Review the information under the What's New section on pages 1 and 2. This is where you will find the withholding allowances, Social Security and Medicare tax rates, and base limits for the new year. You will need this information to update the corresponding tax tables later. Now all you need is Table 7. This table contains the annual payroll period percentages. For 2018, this table was on page 47 of Publication 15. Table 7 has the annual percentages for both the single and married tax tables. It is important to note PowerChurch uses only annual tax tables. In the PowerChurch Payroll module, go to Maintain Tax Tables. Locate to find one of the federal tax tables. Enter the withholding allowance in the first tab. Click on the Annual Rate Table tab. Now all you do is copy the information from Table 7 into the PowerChurch table. Be sure to do both the single and married tax tables in PowerChurch. The next step is to update the Social Security and Medicare tax tables. Locate to find each tax table and update accordingly. Social Security withholding, Social Security employer, and Medicare. If applicable, state tax tables also need to be updated. Each state has their own template for state withholding. It is important to be sure you are using the correct template. Browse your State Department of Revenue's website to find the employer withholding table for the new year. Remember, you will be looking for the annual table. Once you have the needed information, go back to Maintain Tax Tables in PowerChurch and locate to find the state tax table and update. My example is for Illinois. The template for your state may look much different. If your state's template has more than one tab, remember to update all tabs. Like the federal tables, some states require more than one table. Make sure you have and update each tax table needed for your state. Some areas require local and county tax table setups as well. Don't forget to update them too. Have any questions? Feel overwhelmed or need assistance? Contact us at the number below. For more information and instructional videos about PowerChurch Plus software, church payroll, pastor salary, clergy housing allowance, QuickBooks for churches, or larger small church accounting software, please visit our website at cpachurch.com.